What's up, all you 66 Nova lovers? Look what we got here. We got a lime green in the nicest paint. Wait, look. We got ourselves a Whipple. How gorgeous is that? Look at that. Liquid metal. Braces. Man, this thing is gorgeous. Look at this. You guys ever seen this? Look at this radiator hose. Screwed on. You ever seen that before? Wow, that's awesome. Look at that, man. Fuel injected. LED lights. Got race car seats. Look, he's got all the amps in there. Can't really see, but look at that Metaflake sitting in that tank. Wow. This car is awesome. Race car shifter, center console. Whew. You want to see some more custom rides? You know what? I'm going to show you this next custom ride right here. These guys build cars, right? Look at this. What is this, a 67? A 67. Super clean. Super clean. This one, the windows are open so you can see. You got custom everything. Again, this is orange with Metaflake. Wow, right? Wow. They build these bad boys right here. Look at this. There's the headlights. Oh, it's a 70 with a 454. Oh, look at that motor. Look how gorgeous that is. Serpentine belt. Wow, look at that interior. Look at that. Look at all the buttons, the shifter built in, cup holders. Wow, man. How gorgeous is this car? I see another car you guys are about to see. You guys lucked out today, man. Get your popcorn out. I'm going to show you a whole bunch of these cars that they built right here. Wow. Supercar. Look at this. This is how it starts right here. They want to show you how it starts. So first, they're going to take an awesome motor, right, with a Whipple on it, drop it in there, right? Paint it, put some Metaflakes on it, rip out the dashboard, every single thing inside. And then put in a whole new interior. Look at those pedals. Wow. Man, what are they, like some graphite pedals to match. Deep dish. Look at the spoiler. LED lights. Whoa, what's going on here? Look at that. The whole back end is custom. Wow. That's so awesome. So we got another frame right here. We got the frame so they show you how they start right here. The big monster motor.
So how many other cars out there, the drive shafts don't fit?
Wow, right. Look at this.
That's crazy.
It is crazy. Look at this. Wow. How gorgeous is that? Look at that. Look at that console. Wow, man. Impala. So nice, right? So nice. Wow.
You waited 5 years to have one.
Look at this 5 window. They built the 5 window over here. They call this Milner yellow. Gotta love custom car builders. You know what I mean? Just gotta love them, man. They do such a good job. Look at this. I don't even know what this is.
427.
This is just a custom cruiser. Really. Look at that interior. Wow. Anybody know what this is? It's like a two-door, and they cut off the top and they added this back over here. That's what I think it is. You want to see some more cool rides? Click the link above. Don't forget to follow. See you on the next Florida Car Show.